Now I would like to explain about how to prepare flax diet. This flax diet working as a chemo for the cancer patients. As you know that the flax diet is superfood and which is having abundant lignans, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And the role of lignans is to detox the cell, and the role of omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids is to regulate cellular metabolic activity and cellular respiratory system. This is basically Dr. Johanna Budwig theory. She has done a research for about 45 years on cancer patients, that how this flax diet working as a chemo for the cancer patients. Now I have inculcated this concept not only for cancer but also for all other incurable health disorders, or you can say incurable diseases. For example, chronic kidney disease, pancreatitis, liver cirrhosis, pulmonary disorders, gastrointestinal disorders. So literally speaking, for all the incurable diseases, I have inculcated this flax diet. Now I will show you this flax diet, and before that I would like to tell you the precautions what we have to take while preparing this flax diet. Number 1, the seed should not be fried. Number 2, seeds should not be preserved in powdered form. Third one is, after preparation, it has to be get consumed within 15 minutes. And fourth point is, it has to be properly blended with curd, because curd is the only one medium after country cheese will convert oils into water solubles. For one portion of flax diet, we have to use 15 grams of seeds. And firstly, we have to powder this flax seeds. Then we have to add 1 tablespoon of flax oil. Firstly, let us powder it. See, now it has become finest powder, and here we have to add 1 tablespoon of flax oil. One tablespoon means 15 grams. Thereafter, we have to add in the same bowl 100 to 150 gram curd, that is a yogurt. The main objective of adding yogurt is to convert oils into water solubles. Now we can see that there is a droplets, and again further to convert oils into water solubles with curd, we have to churn it effectively. Now here with curd and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 1 tablespoon of flax oil, as effectively we got blended. Now it is ready to consume. Here the kidney patient should not add water. Non-kidney patients, chronic kidney disease patients, they can add water as per their requirement. See, now I can say that especially for chronic kidney disease, they have to take in this format only. See, pouring into the glass. See, now it's having a little thickness. Those who are non-chronic kidney disease patients and also healthy person, if he wants to take this flax diet, they can add water according to their consistency and stir it, and they can consume this as first course of breakfast and also evening as a snacks. So this is a flax diet.